Hello, crafters. Welcome to Gettin Crafty for February 2022 from Salem Public Library. This month, we're decorating a small wooden frame. Let's get started. You'll need a few tools and supplies to complete the craft. You can get a craft kit from Salem Public Library if you live close to us, or you need a small wooden frame, scissors, craft glue, Mod Podge, that's optional, sandpaper, acrylic paint or wood stain, 1 to 2 small paintbrushes, a photo or paper embellishment to insert in the frame, and embellishments to add to the frame if you desire so. Let's get going. Lightly sand the frame and wooden insert. Then wipe the dust off both pieces. Now you can paint or stain the wood. Paint or stain the frame to give a base to what you put in the frame, photo or designed paper, or whatever you attach to the frame itself. When this frame was done, obviously it was done in white paint, but a top coat of Mod Podge was put on it, the sparkly Mod Podge, to give it a little bit of glittery gleam. Now, let's add the frame's insert. Turn your attention to the wood insert. You could, with glue or double-sided tape, attach a photo, or, as you see in this example, a piece of designed scrapbook paper that's been cut using the wood insert as a template. If you plan to change the picture periodically, you may want to attach the insert with a small piece of double-sided tape, just enough to hold the insert in place. That'll give you flexibility for changing the insert without demolishing your paper or whatever you insert. Adding to the insert. Additional embellishment has been added to this insert. This may be a nice springtime display, don't you think? Don't forget to add embellishments to accentuate your basic design. Adding finishing touches? Maybe. Once you put the insert inside the frame, you may find you want to add something to the frame itself. Buttons or flowers or cut out letters, whatever. Depending on your style, simplicity, or more, you may want to consider your craft finished, or you may want to have a bit more fun with paper and glue. Let's see. You could go embellishment crazy. Remember, the best part of Gettin Crafty is having fun. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope you get a wood frame and some embellishments and have fun too. Bye-bye.